Yep. Yeah. Same what? So yes, peeps, I know Sean have a ride out go work and now. Yeah man, look at more. So you know me always love zoom it up. So yes, my beautiful peeps, welcome back to another video with your girl Unruly Shana. So you know from what day I'm not get no vlogging from me. But anyway, yeah, so one here. Yo, it's sun hot out there, saying man. Boy. Yo, Benji. So guys, this line of traffic catch me across the road here. As usual. So, we're there guys. I hope everybody have a nice and wonderful time. I know not getting no vlogging from me from the other day. But guys, I was busy. Just busy with working, you know. Just getting things together. So anyways, you know Sean gonna work now, so me alone there. Sun out, so me can't take the cover off and me jelly them. So anyways, we just there, so me now I just get into my working mode. I'm gonna start clean up, I'm gonna clean up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just bring on the show at my day and show you guys what I go on, you know. What may I do? You know, say, hold on them man, me hear somebody in the water abrupt conch. So me can't see them from this part here. So guys, see what I go on and me there I do some work on the shop from the other day. So me have bowl in this shop here to clean up, take up all of my nail them, sweep out the place, because what happened is guys, me pay somebody to put up the roof, but how them put up the roof, me never like how it put up, so me have to take it down back and pay somebody else to put it up again. So yeah, me finally get my roof put up, all me want, all me feel comfortable. So yeah, that is it. So peeps, I have this old shop, you say near dirty. Want sweep out, take up all of the nail them, clean up my counter, clean up my shelves them. You know, clean up the place because a time for this building to open me now. Yeah, time for my shop to open me now. So you know me have go through now and do some deep cleaning. Take out all them stuff here out here. And you know, yeah, time for open up my bar. Yes, my peeps. So yes peeps, then I'm just gonna take a look at what go down by the seaside. I want to show you guys something down there, so I will show you. We have some fishermen down by the seaside already or shoot fish. Yeah, people are sweep up the beach. But me hear something out there. When me hear like, well, shoot a man out there where, you know, man will go shoot fish. But it look like he find conch, so I can hear him out there brought the conch. So I just want to show you guys that. So yes peeps, so I'm walking at Sun phone now. Yep, this is it. Boy guys, right that's so cool. Wow. So guys, this is what we call almond. I don't know almond. We can eat them. We can use them make drops. You know, they are good juice. They can blend them, you know, and mix them with other stuff to make drinking. You know, see tree here. This is the almond tree. And guys, if you're not real Jamaican, only know how on the almond tree. Cool, don't it? Breeze me I feel right as right now. I just want to draw one towel or something that will lie down sleep. Tell you the truth. Yeah man. Go on. There man. So he's a man working on the beach. No, I'm not going to swim today. Them a boatman I go to see. But this is what I stay up at my shop and here guys. There. Where am there? Oh. So yes peeps. This is the nice me here up at my shop. So this guy now, you can see say him go shoot fish or him a look conch. Conch I want see shell everybody must know conch. He come in our shell. But you have to break him out and you can use the wild soup, you can curry it, you can put it in a file paper, it's nice. Conch is a very nice seafood for eat. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. How am I gone? What? I'm almost right this thing there. So it look like him a pick up conch. Yes he is. So anyway guys, may I go back up a shop. If I hear him again, I can show you guys from up at my shop. So yeah. So yes peeps, this is the sea. Look how sea calm and nice and beautiful. Wow. This is beautiful. It's really beautiful. So yes guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Subscribe to your girl Unruly Shana, right? So I'm gonna big up on yourself peeps. See you in a bit. Ouch, water dash upon me. What? Ooh. Whoa. Arrange it now. So shit, what a line of traffic, bro, G. So guys, these fishermen, they are pulling up their fish pots to see what they catch. This is how Jamaican men pull up them fish pot. See there? Then pull up one already. So yes, please, I have to leave, go do something a while ago. So, see them here, back in action. So it look like them pull up the fish pot them to check to see what them catch and then move them. Maybe if what them pull I took up the fish pot from, if that wasn't a good set, then I go move it, them not go set it back there. So because if them catch fish, maybe them put it back, but if them catch none, them not go put it back there. So there you go, guys. So then pull up one other fish back there. So you know that go. So it look like them I move them. And now I set them back the same place. So yes peeps, a Jamaican fisherman in action. I draw them fish pot and I set it back in a different places. So yeah man. Look like them go set it right there so. I'm gonna drop it up right there so. Come and then not sure which spot they want to drop it. Oh, for water. And then drop it right there so. So that way then set it right in front of the reef. So yes peeps, that's how Jamaican fishermen set them fish pot and dry up back. Yeah.